Once upon a time, in a sea of golden sunshine, a humble hero grew tall, the mighty corn. You've seen it at barbecues, in soups, even popped at movie nights. But do you really know what corn can do for you? Corn isn't just a side dish, it's a superstar ingredient. From tortillas in Mexico to grits in the southern US, corn has fed civilizations for centuries. Packed with fiber, corn helps keep your digestion on track. It's also rich in vitamin B, magnesium, and those little yellow kernels. They contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, great for your eyes. Corn brings people together. It's comfort food with a crunch and a smile in every bite. But corn's power goes beyond the plate. It fuels cars, makes eco-friendly plastics, and is even used in skincare products. Yep, corn's got range. So next time you bite into that juicy corn on the cob, remember you're enjoying a gift from nature that's as versatile as it is nutritious. For more wholesome stories straight from the farm to your plate, hit like, subscribe, and join us at Eat and Health. Let's grow good health together.